Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of RV essentials with a product that's essential for hassle-free camping. The Camco Sidewinder 10 Fort RV Sewer Hose Support. Stay tuned as we explore why this is considered the best RV sewer support available in the market. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product insights. The Camco Sidewinder is not just any sewer hose support, it's engineered to make your camping experience easier and more convenient. Designed with a flexible telescoping system, it adapts to any terrain, ensuring your sewer hose maintains a consistent downhill slope for optimal drainage. Let's talk about what makes the Camco Sidewinder stand out from the rest. Adjusts effortlessly to avoid obstacles and maintain ideal drainage. Prevents your sewer hose from sagging or closing off, ensuring a smooth flow every time. Made from rust-resistant materials, it's built to last through many camping adventures. Folds easily for storage in your RV compartment, minimizing space when not in use. Out of the box ready, so you can start using it immediately with no assembly required. To wrap it up, the Camco Sidewinder 10 Fort RV Sewer Hose Support is a must-have for any RV enthusiast looking to streamline their waste disposal process. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to RV life, this product delivers on its promise of convenience and reliability. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy camping!